Hi guys, in this series of videos, sir, I'm talking to all the placement heads of various colleges and trying to find out कि मेरे को job लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा and what are skill set I need to improve so that I can get the job on campus. So before we go into the details, I want to start with the introduction. So if you like to introduce.
Yeah. So hi everyone, good evening. My name is Padmanabha. I take care of corporate relations at Flame University for both undergrad as well as postgrad program. Job milega ya nahi after MBA is a very relevant question, right? Now, see, MBA is a very professional program where everyone, their final intent is to get a good job, role and CTC after the program ends. And we at Flame University, our curriculum is very different than how we see at other standalone B schools. Now, as you might know, Flame University is a pioneer in liberal arts and science. Our approach to curriculum itself is different. Now, you will see that someone, a student, any student, irrespective of their major or minor specialization, they will have liberal education courses inculcated mandatorily in their curriculum. जैसे हम लोग सब बी स्कूल सिखाते हैं फिनांस, फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग, एसेट प्राइसिंग, बट व्हाट अबाउट पीपल मैनेजमेंट, राइट? When we work or when we go inside a corporate, being a fresher, after a certain level of time, when we start leading a team, it is very important for us to have people management skills. Now, this is something which psychology teaches you, right? And psychology is a part of the curriculum. So, यहाँ पे at Flame we give extensive training to the students of how they polish, nurture their skills, and अगर आप Flame तक पहुँच गए हो, job तो मिल जाएंगे. We will always be there to support you. That is point number 1. Point 2 is आपको एक चीज समझना होगा कि we are not IIM, so we are not catering the cream layer of students, and we are happy with it.
Correct.
If so, आप अगर देखते हो the way we do our process or placement processes, once the students take admission at Flame, we do a batch profiling. The entire CSO team, the Career Services Office team, talks to each and every student, find out क्या strengths है, क्या weakness है, what are the career goal alignments, because most of them are freshers just out of their college, right? And we advise them accordingly, and they are going to be with us for next 2 years, right? And for us to guide them, it is very important that we know what their strengths or weaknesses are, so that we can help them.
Right. So your answer is basically don't look at the end goal, look at the way of going there with the target.
Yes.
So अगर तुम्हारा वो road अच्छा होएगा तो end product अपने आप अच्छा मिलेगा, job अच्छा मिलेगा.
100% मिलेगा.
So this is everyone should look at कि rather looking at the end product end of the 2 years में वो कौन सी job लगेगा, we should look at के how I can improve myself, because everyone have some point of improvement. Yes. Okay, I need to improve this, I need to improve this. If your college is not doing this kind of profiling, then you yourself should do that. Okay, find out कि तुम्हें where are the weakness, where I can improve myself. And you have 2 years का time. I think that's enough time to improve.
That's enough time. Find a mentor. Getting a mentor, finding a right mentor is very important. Or at least have some professor or have someone in the career services team, irrespective of any university, where you can go and talk to them freely. Okay. आप अगर internally freely बात नहीं कर सकते हो, that might impact you during your interview process.
Correct.
Because हम सब लोग at some point of time we were freshers. Someone has taught us, someone has supported us. Hence we have landed in our first job, and first job is very important. Yeah. Correct.
So, and sir, with average package of 9.5 now
9.4 sir.
9.4 is the average package now. And so we have a good ROI as well in that case, because the fees is around 12.5. I need to confirm that, but fees around 12.5. So 12.5 tuition fees and getting a package of 9.4, 9.5. I think it's a good ROI from point of view. So that point of view is safe. कि हाँ चलो job लग जाएगा, एक अच्छा job लग जाएगा. तो sir ऐसी, if you can tell me that before I join the college, I have time now to work on my strength weakness. So any 2-3 points कि मैं यार तुम ये improve करके आ जाओ, तो तुम्हें कॉलेज में आके अच्छा रहेगा. So for example, I am a teacher of maths. So अगर तुम्हें tables आते हैं, formulas आते हैं, तो that will be very helpful for me to teach you in a good way. So anything you can recommend the students.
Understood. So first advice which I would like to give to everyone is that let us not have any predefined notions कि मुझे MBA जब मैं कर रहा हूँ, Flame से करूँ या कहीं और से institute से करूँ, I would like to do MBA only in finance or in marketing, because we are freshers. Until unless we know our forte, और हम लोग का इंटरेस्ट.
Correct.
So don't join an MBA with a predefined notions. Now when you join an MBA in any university, involve yourself with your peers. Now at Flame, if you see first year batch का demographic अगर आप देखो, we have got students from 23 states.
Wow.
Until and unless you go talk to students, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपका strength क्या है.
Strength क्या है?
Right?
Correct. Correct.
And overall preparation skills अगर आप बोलते हो. Now current affairs is very important. Generic aptitude quantitative skills is enough. Generic.
Correct.
Right? Because why I'm not saying subject related, because subject related आपको पता ही नहीं है. You might have a notion. We have seen many students which comes and tells us कि MBA के बैच प्रोफाइलिंग के टाइम में क्या सर we have decided कि हम लोग को फिनांस ही करना है. क्यों फिनांस करना है भाई? Because मेरे भाई भी फिनांस कर रहा है. You know, he has given us कि ये इंडस्ट्री में वो है. But he or she fails to understand कि सब लोग सब चीज के लिए नहीं बने हैं, right? You know, I might be good at numbers, but I will do wonders if you put me in marketing. How will I put that? We have got numbers of clubs and committees at Flame, and we encourage all the students to take active participation, so that they reveal, they understand कि क्या उनका forte है, and accordingly take it ahead.
Great. So, sir, can you name us a few companies? For example, some people are interested in consulting, some people are interested in finance. So, any of these banks are coming for campus?
See, sir, we are very placement-centric organization, right? So we do our due diligence, prioritize companies depending on the brand, CTC, and roles.
Sir, one thing I'll stop here. So when I meet all of you people, so the best part which I like about this, your focus is on job. So you are centric about job. And when I talk to the admissions team, their focus on admission. So this is something, if all of you are doing their own roles, so end of the day, it's come with a good team. The team overall teamwork is there.
True.
It's not like their only focus is to teach. Like lot of colleges do that. कि हमारा काम है teaching का, हम college है, हम सिखाएंगे बस.
नहीं यहाँ पे सर देखिए, as I told you, we are not getting the top 15%, 20%. Let us be very honest.
Correct.
And everyone takes admission with some expectation, right? You cannot expect everyone, सबका communication superlative level में होगा, वो नहीं होता है.
Right.
So we have to nurture them. Now, in terms of companies, you have asked, we have got Ernst & Young. We have recruited our students this year. And then banks, we have got ANZ. This year, 21-23, our FSB for MBA, our average is around 9.4. We have rolled out around 7 dream offers this year. 6 dream offers to be precise. Now, when I say dream offer, these are companies which have offered CTCs of more than 16 lakhs.
Okay, wow.
Vedanta has recruited 2 students with a CTC of 20.5 lakhs.
20 lakhs, okay.
So, and if you see our average CTC, the way we are growing, compared to last year, we have grown 26% till now. Our batch is around 90% placed. And we are not in a hurry.
Correct. We have time. We have time.
And see, the most important point for this placement season is now we have capped, we try our best to cap the variable part of the CTC at 10 to 15%. ऐसा नहीं है कि when I tell you 21 lakhs or 20.5 lakhs, 8 lakhs is fixed and 12 lakhs is variable. It's not like that.
Correct.
We try our best from our side to cap the variable part at max at 20%.
सर बहुत वो चाहिए ना इसके लिए, because lot of companies will not be happy with that कि नहीं आधा कर दो या 50% कर दो.
And we don't force anyone to apply for any role. और आप अगर यहाँ पे देखोगे, if I show you the Excel, I'll show you the Excel sheet. Role fitment बहुत है. When I say role fitment, you will see finance students getting into finance roles, right? Because it is their wish. So we are not pushing anyone, any operational student to come and do finance role. So this year the role fitment was excellent, and we will only take the bar high.
Superb. So why I asked you this question about the top companies coming on campus is that suppose someone is coming with a very low academic record, have taken 1 year ka gap, or his profile is not very strong, but he have got a very good score in your entrance exam or interview was good and he is in the college. So will he have an equal chance to get that job, or क्या कुछ होता है आपको क्या लगता है कि is there any kind of
preference? Sir, absolutely. I have got live examples. I cannot name students' name, but I have placed students, जो academically इतना serious नहीं था, इतना वो top में नहीं था. But see, eventually what happens is, when they, after first year of MBA, they are mandatorily, they have to do the summer internship, which is a part of the curriculum. Summer internship is the first period in their life, freshers के लिए, where they get an exposure to corporate. उनको थोड़ा समझ में आता है, अच्छा ठीक है, these are the understandings, this is the experience which I'll get. And the moment they come back, it is already August. We start our placements by midweek of September. So we have got 1 month time
Correct.
to arrange for different training sessions. We have a large pool of alumni also, where we make them mentors. And we seek their support in brushing up their skills. We get experts from industries, have mock PIs arranged. Students will tell you more about it.
Correct.
Mock PIs, mock GDs. So there are students who were not academically good enough, not in communication too, who have landed themselves this year in placements with a CTC of more than 12 lakhs. And they were very happy, and we were very happy in placing them. See, this is where the internal happiness comes, that top ke to sab kar lete hain.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
And this is, see, we don't tinker with our numbers, we don't manipulate our numbers. We would like to stay grounded, humble, help students empathetically, and help them to grow.
Very nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you.
Thank